When students work with limits, one of the most common mistakes happens with f of negative x. Let's suppose that as x approaches 1 from the right, the limit of f of x is 2. Now, let's think about f of negative x, which is simply the reflection of f of x across the y-axis. In this case, it becomes the same as looking at f of negative x, when x approaches -1 from the left. Therefore, when f of x approaches 1 from the right, f of negative x approaches -1 from the left. That means the limit of f of x as x acuity approaches 1 from the right is the same as the limit of f of negative x as x approaches -1 from the left. And here's a quick tip. When you want to solve problems faster, you can simply think of it this way. Just change all the signs. Now let's go back to the problem. We want to evaluate the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of f of x times f of negative x. First, as x approaches 1 from the right, f of x goes to -1. Next, for f of negative x, this is the same as the limit of f of x as x approaches -1 from the left. From the graph, that limit is also -1. Therefore, we have -1 times -1, which equals 1. So the final answer is 1. Let's look at the second problem. We want to evaluate the limit as x approaches 2 from the left of f of x times f of negative x. First, as x approaches 2 from the left, f of x goes to 2. Next, as x approaches 2 from the left, f of negative x is the same as the limit of f of x as x approaches -2 from the right. From the graph, that value is -1. Therefore, we have 2 times -1, which equals -2. So the final answer is -2. For the last problem, as x approaches 3 from the right, please try to work out the limit by yourself.